What is up, guys? TCV, another episode. Here we go. What is up, guys? Another vlog today with top speed. What is up, guys? Welcome back to TCV. And today we're gonna do another vlog. What is up, guys? Another episode today. TCV. We're back. I'm gonna go rip around in my backyard for a little bit on the dirt bike. We got it right here. She's looking kind of dirty, but we're cleaner for summer. Just turn it on. It's gonna be a little bit different vlog from the other days. No cars, just motorcycles for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe. We're gonna let her warm her up for a little bit, just to get her all the liquids warm and all that. Hey guys. Woo. Summer's coming, guys. It's getting nice out. I'm glad. We got the flagpole on from the sand dunes. I went last week. I didn't make a video on that, but they'll come in the future. Don't worry, guys. I got you. Alright, we're gonna let her warm up for a little bit. Alright, we're going to change the angle for a little bit. I'm going to install the GoPro right there. Catch you over there. And like that, we have it installed. Alright, catch you on the GoPro. It's not that much land, but it still gets the work done. It's fun. Alright, that's all we got for today. Leave a like, subscribe. Until next time, peace. I don't know what the f I just did. Don't know what the peace.